Hey everyone, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. Today's video is for all of you creative folks who are looking to earn some money. We're going to cover 12 profitable ways to make money online as an artist. We know that it's definitely not easy nowadays, but with these up-to-date strategies, you'll be on the right path to making more money, whether you're an illustrator, graphic designer, photographer, or any other type of visual artist. Before we start, we want to give you the opportunity to promote yourself. So leave a link in the comments below to your website or your portfolio. Then make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we'll be making more videos that help artists like yourself make money. All right, let's get started. The first and most popular way for artists to earn money is selling prints online. But don't limit yourself to just posters and postcards. Think stickers, framed artwork, and canvas prints. In general, prints can go from anywhere from $40 to $300. You can sell your prints online on platforms like Etsy, Society6, Shopify, and Saatchi Art. But we recommend always checking how much commissions your platform charges to make sure that you get the most of every sale. Another super popular way to sell your designs online is through print-on-demand products. This is when you customize products like t-shirts or mugs with your designs and then sell them in your online store. Your print-on-demand supplier then handles the printing and shipping. Companies like Printbest have free integrations to connect to your store so that they automatically fulfill your orders that you get. If you're interested in learning more, click on the Printbest link in the video description. The third method to earn money online is selling digital artwork. According to Vectorize.net, selling your designs or photos on stock websites could earn you anywhere from $20,000 to $20,000 a month. If you're looking for top websites for selling your digital work, we have a short list in the blog article linked in the description. It also has a few suggestions on the most popular digital products you can sell as an artist, so check it out. Number 4, do commission jobs. Custom artwork is becoming increasingly popular, especially among the younger generation. Show samples of your commissioned art online so that people can see your style based on what you've done for other customers. Start with your family and friends and then expand to websites like ArtStation, Twitch, and DeviantArt. The next method is working on freelance projects. Freelance artists in the United States earn on average just over $50,000 a year or $26 per hour. Start by creating a portfolio and then sign up for an account on a freelance website like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms are a great way to get started, but keep in mind that they do charge a fee, typically taken as a percentage of your earnings. Number 6 is teaching art online. Make a list of the skills that you have as an artist because these are all ideas that you can use to teach online courses. Pre-recorded classes are typically priced from $20 to $300, while live classes can bring you between $300 and $500. You can use hosting platforms like Skillshare or Teachable, or for live workshops, you can just use Zoom or Google Hangouts. Make sure you do some research though on the pricing plans to find out which one works best for you. Number 7 is starting your own YouTube channel. This method isn't an instant money maker, but if you consistently provide quality content, you'll build an audience that trusts you and is more willing to spend money on you. A few ways to earn money as a YouTube artist include promoting sponsored items, posting affiliate links, or showing off your custom products. Try creating videos that explain how to solve a problem or share tips when creating art, since there are things that people want to know. You can also make videos that simply entertain or encourage your audience. And since we're on the topic of YouTube, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. We have more helpful videos coming up and we don't want you to miss out. Number 8, create a book. Self-publishing a book is a fantastic way to showcase your creative talent while adding more credibility to your career. Paperbacks and ebooks can go from just a few dollars to $50 a copy. If you're wondering what kind of books you can create, think coloring therapy, instructional guides, picture books, and photo books. Then check out some of the publishing platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing and Ingram Spark. And if you're really confident, you can even try pitching your book to agents. The next method to make money online involves working with others. Reach out to other artists, influencers, and small business owners to collaborate on projects. Together, you can each use your strengths and gain a larger audience. An example would be working with an influencer to create their own merch. Then, if you need somebody to help you print your artwork onto those merch items, Click the link for Printbest in the description below. Number 10 is entering art contests. You could earn anywhere from $50 to $60,000 in cash prizes. Some contests also give out free art supplies to their winners. Look online for contests that fit your personal skill set, such as painting, illustrating, or digital arts. You can also look for contests that target your age group, ancestry, or geographic area. Number 11, apply for art grants. There are organizations that provide funds for artists, and there are government grants too. Some well-established artists might also provide grants. Do some research to see if you're eligible for any of them and apply. And finally, the last method we recommend is crowdfunding. Besides raising funds, it's also a great way to get motivation to work on your dream project. Do some research on crowdfunding platforms like GoFundMe, Kickstarter, and Indiegogo. Pay attention to their fee structure and when you can withdraw the funds. We provide a brief comparison of these platforms in our blog article, which is linked in the description. And of course, don't forget to promote your crowdfunding campaigns so people know about it. Those were 12 of the most profitable ways to make money online as an artist. Just like good art, it does take time and commitment to earn income from your work, but Printbest is here to help you get started. Check out some of the products that you can customize with your artwork by clicking on the Printbest link below. Good luck, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.